Good morning. My name's Scott, and today what I'm going to show you how to do is how to calibrate your Sledge-a-Pult. What's a Sledge-a-Pult? That's a Sledge-a-Pult. It's used in demonstrations to smash melons. It has a base. It has a base of wood, as you can see. This is pressure treated wood. And it has a sledgehammer. To be precise, it's a 10-pound sledge. To operate, the sledgehammer is drawn back, released, and it smashes the little melon as so it were somebody's head. Because that's what it's trying to simulate. It's trying to simulate what happens if you're riding your bicycle along. Actually, riding your bicycle along and you fall off your bicycle, or a car hits you and you fly off your bicycle and you hit something hard and you're not wearing a helmet. Here's what you'll need. You'll need a panel of some sort that's larger than the scale that you're going to use. And if you value the finish on your wife's scale, you'll find a book of some sort that you'll put between the scale and the head of the hammer. Let's take a look. As you can see, I've carefully positioned the Sledge-a-Pult hammer, the book, the scale, and then the panel. In my particular case, this panel is made out of drywall. The purpose of the drywall is to support the bottom of the scale, as it has 4 touch points where it makes contact with the surface beneath it. Now, we need to calibrate the scale. To calibrate the scale, we lift the hammer, and then we press down, and then we lift the camera again, and then it blinks 0. And now, we set the hammer down again. And watch. And we see that our weight here is 18.6 pounds. Now, 18.6 pounds is okay, but I want it a little better. When I first put this Sledge-a-Pult together, I had done some calculations, and roughly 26 pounds was what I was going for the impact, or to simulate the impact of what it would be like to fall off your bicycle going about 8 or 9 miles per hour and hit your head on like something really hard, like a red light post or a sign post or a rock on the ground or the ground. So I'm going to go ahead and try to add an extra twist to the torsion bundle. This right here, this is the torsion bundle, and it twists on either side. So as you can see, I have the Sledge-a-Pult on its side. That's my friend Deb over there. She wants the Sledge-a-Pult today to do a demonstration.
I want the Sledge-a-Pult.
She wants the Sledge-a-Pult. She's going to get the Sledge-a-Pult, but it has to be calibrated first, because I wouldn't want her to try to smash a melon and have the melon not smash. That would be bad. So what I'm doing is I'm putting one more twist. On the other side, I'm using a stick as a lever, and that should get us up to the weight that we want. Let's take a look. Alright, so once again, as you can see, I've placed the scale and the drywall back on the Sledge-a-Pult, or sledgy, as Deb calls it. And I'm just going to lift the hammer, set it down, lift the hammer, set it down, lift again, and we have zeros, and I'm going to set it down. And we are at 29 pounds. That's perfect. All right, great. I'm very happy to see that I could get it up to 29 pounds again. All right, say bye.
Bye, we're going to have fun with sledging.